In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see events in Google Calendar. This is a useful skill that helps you manage your time effectively. By following these steps, you will have a better experience navigating your calendar. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type in Google Calendar. Press Enter to initiate your search. On your screen, you will see a list of search results. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for accessing your calendar. It ensures you are on the right path to finding your events. Next, click on the correct link that appears in your search results. This link will typically be the first one, leading you directly to the Google Calendar website. After clicking, you will be redirected to the calendar interface. This step matters because it takes you straight to the platform where you can manage all your events. If you accidentally click the wrong link, you might end up on a different site, wasting your time. Now it's time to log into your Google account. If you are already logged in, you may skip this step. If not, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Once you have entered your information, click on the Sign In button. You will see your calendar load with all your scheduled events. Logging in is important because it ensures that you have access to your personal calendar where all your events are stored. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You will find a Settings gear icon next to it. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you can choose how you want to view your calendar: day, week, month, year, or schedule, also known as Agenda View. Selecting the appropriate view helps you focus on your events based on your preference. This little step saves you a lot of time later by letting you see your calendar the way you want it. If you can see the calendar grid but some specific events are missing, don't worry. The issue might be that the sub-calendar for those events is toggled off. This can happen when you have multiple calendars. It's essential to ensure that all relevant calendars are visible to you. This prevents any confusion and ensures you don't miss any important appointments. Next, look at the left sidebar of the calendar interface. You will find the sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. Under these sections, make sure the colored checkbox next to your calendar name is checked. This could be your email address, a holiday calendar, or a task list. Checking these boxes ensures that all your events are displayed correctly. It's a straightforward step but vital for visibility. Now, let's move on to searching for a specific event. Click or tap the magnifying glass icon, also known as the search icon, located at the top of the screen. This action opens up a search field for you to enter your queries. Using the search function helps you quickly locate specific events without scrolling through the entire calendar. This is particularly useful if you have a busy schedule. Type a keyword, title, or guest name related to the event you are looking for in the search bar. This can be anything from meeting with John to doctor's appointment. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps guide you towards finding exactly what you need. It is a powerful tool for efficient calendar management. Finally, press Enter to see a full list of matching events sorted chronologically. This list will display all relevant events based on your search criteria. You can now quickly find and view any event you need. This step wraps up the process, ensuring that you have all the information you require at your fingertips. With these steps, you are well equipped to navigate Google Calendar effectively. Happy scheduling!